Okay guys, I am feeling ruthless today and I want to tackle my lip products. You guys know I'm not a huge fan of lip products. I like to wear glosses and balms and I have my occasional few shades that I like, but that's it. I'm really over the liquid lip phase of life and I'm just over having this much crap. Like, this much crap does not make me feel good, you know? Mainly because, oh, you can't even see. Mainly because I don't wear half this stuff most of the time. So I would love to get rid of a lot of this. I would love to pare this down to only 3 drawers worth of lip products, but we'll see what we can do. And a lot of this stuff is just like old and I should get rid of it. So let's do it. Okay, so here are all of my my true lipsticks. I'm gonna start by pulling out my favorites. My favorite lipstick ever is this Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick. My favorite shade is Bing. I'm gonna need some swatch things, but this is my favorite red. It is the only red I ever wear, which is something I should keep in mind when I'm getting rid of other reds. But I love this red. I also love the shade Punked. Not a shade I would wear that often, but in the fall I do enjoy it. It's a really nice kind of like light taupey gray, kind of purple. It's really pretty. And this formula of lipstick is just my favorite, so keeping those two for sure. The third one I have is Red Rage, which this is more of like a pinky brick, more of like a holiday red. I think I am going to keep this one too. I just love this lipstick formula, so I want to have as many options as I can in it, and I only have 3. So this is one of my favorite lipsticks. Unfortunately, it's discontinued. This is the NYX High Voltage Lipstick in Playdate. It is just the best lavender color, as you can see. These are really old, and I probably should get rid of it, but I'm not going to. I'm going to keep this and the brand new backup I have for it. However, I believe I'm going to get rid of the rest of these. Definitely going to get rid of those two. This neon purple I never wear. This red I don't wear. There was the pretty brown color, but I think it just looks like poop and I'll never wear it. No, I do love that brown. Okay, maybe keeping the brown. I mean, all of these are pretty. I just never reach for them. Like, that is gorge. For the fall, love. But I do have some other MAC fall lipsticks, such as Rebel. It's a satin. I think I might like that one better. I have this dark Ariana Grande one. I feel like I have to keep that just because it's Ariana Grande and I love her. I'm also definitely keeping my Cruella de Vil lipstick. It's so old and I don't really use it anymore, but this is something I'll display forever. So good. This isn't going as well as I thought. I'm definitely going to get rid of this NYX Wicked Lippy. This is in the shade Betrayal. It's just a really like shimmery blue color that I'm never going to wear. It's really pretty, so like if you're into that kind of stuff, these are great lipsticks, but I'm never going to wear this, so getting rid of that. Okay, what is with my piles right now? This is a mess. Getting rid of this color. Just like these are so old. I do like the shade Dahlia though. It's a really pretty like black yet purple. But like, when do I ever wear these shades? Ugh, but I love them! Keeping these two. I'm getting rid of this MAC one, which that's astonishing to me. I am gonna keep this NYX Black Macaroon lipstick just because, like, randomly I find that lipsticks come, or a black lipstick comes in handy, and this is a pretty good one, and it's relatively cheap, but just for like, I don't even know what I've used this for, but I've just found it comes in handy a bunch, so I keep it. Okay, this Rimmel, what are these called? Moisture Renew lipsticks. This is an As You Want Victoria. Also one of my favorite lipsticks. It's more of like a fuchsia red pink, but I love it, and I love this lipstick formula as well. It's my favorite Drugstore lip formula. Shit, I might keep all of these. Let's see how this red compares to these reds. Okay, that is a terrible swatch. Nope, I'm getting rid of this one. Sticking with my Smashbox one. This one is really pretty and very unique. It's called Vintage Pink. Oh, love that. It's like a mauve-y pink color. I need, a makeup wipe. And then this is my only like hot pink lipstick. It's called Back to Fuchsia, like Back to the Future, get it? It's kind of similar to As You Want Victoria, but it's on the lips, it's more of like a true pink. And I am going to keep this just because it's newer to me. This is Austin by the Gigi Hadid collection from Maybelline. It's kind of like a more of like a matte finish, but it's a comfortable matte, which I enjoy. So I'm keeping that. You guys, these two I'm only keeping because they have cats on them. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm gonna toss them. Like, they're so old. Like, you should not use these on your lips. They're really cute packaging, and I love the cats. But I don't even like cats, and I'm just keeping it for the novelty of it, so I'm gonna toss them. They're so old. I have some 100% pure lipsticks, which These are actually really nice. They reached out to me a while ago. This is not sponsored. They reached out to me a while ago to do a sponsored post for these, and I was like, let me try them. And I loved them. Like, they have no taste. They're so comfortable on your lips. Do I need to keep both, though? I definitely need to keep this one. This is in Thistle. These were like part of the Christmas release. But I'm going to try this one on, which this one is Clover, and I will let you know, but I am going to keep Thistle. Bite Beauty pencil. Like, this pencil is such a nice formula, and it goes on so well. This is in Pomegranate. And then I have a double-ended lipstick. Those are too bright for me. I am never going to wear those. So I'm getting rid of the double-ended lipstick, and I might get rid of this as well, just because, like, I didn't even know I had it, because I always reach for my Smashbox Bing. Okay, getting rid of those. Okay, moving on. Okay, guys, sorry if the lighting is getting crazy. I'm losing light, but I want to keep going, so I just keep upping the whatever. Okay. Here we go. So here are all my liquid lipsticks. I'm going to pull out my favorites first. I do like this red. As you can see, they're all pretty much NYX liquid suede ones. I do like Stone Fox. Love Brooklyn Thorn. This bright purple I'm never going to wear. This bright blue I'm never going to wear. Ooh, I actually did really like, I totally forgot about this. It's the NYX Love Out Loud. This was like a limited edition shade, but it's beautiful. It's like that more muted lavender I like to wear. Definitely going to keep that. I'm not going to wear this brown shade. I don't think I'd ever reach for Cherry Skies over any other red color. So yeah, I'm going to pass on Cherry Skies. I like the shade Vintage, which is this one. I might keep that. And like I said, like, I'm over liquid lipsticks, but these are just like, if I'm going to wear a liquid lipstick, these are my favorite formula. I'm going to pass on Club Hopper. I'm going to pass... I just wore this in a video and I really liked the way it looked, TBH. I might keep that as like my only nude option. This NYX lingerie thing, I love this shade. It's in the shade Embellishment, but I hate the way it feels on my lips. I hate it so much. I'm getting rid of it. It's the worst. I love these melted thingies. These aren't liquid lipsticks. I don't know why I put them in here. They don't like dry matte. Love this shade. This is in the shade Melted Fig, and then I love my two chocolate ones. But I don't think I'm ever going to wear that one. Okay, I'm getting rid of this one, which is Chocolate Honey, and I'm going to keep the Chocolate Cherries because it's a really pretty, like, dark red-brown color for the fall and winter. And then I do love Alien. It's kind of like a really dark gray-black that I just feel like I can't get rid of. I'm not going to wear this dark purple, which is in Submersive. And this one is in Oh Put It On, but I don't think I'm going to need this because I just kept the other one. Yeah, no, I like the other one better. So great. Okay, here are all of my glosses and like colored balms that I like. This is what I typically go for when I'm going to wear lip products, is like something glossy and usually pretty sheer. I'm keeping both of these. These are my favorite, the Clarins Lip Oil. I have two more actually that aren't in this drawer. They're in my everyday drawer right now. But I love them. They're so comfortable and glossy, and they look really nice on your lips, but they're actually doing something for your lips, so I'm definitely keeping those. Also applying some right now. This Sephora one I bought on Black Friday, and it's like an almond lip balm. It smells really good, but it definitely turns your lips a little bit of this like light green shade, so I'm gonna pass that on. Let's see. I do love all three of my balms from Benefit. I have Posy Balm, Lolly Balm, and Bennebalm. Love these. They're very like sheer. You can barely see that, but they look amazing on your lips, and I love them, so I'm definitely keeping all three of those. I do love the Balm Read My Lips glosses. I had more than this, and these are my two favorites, so I pared them down. Zap, which is more of like a lighter glittery pink, and then I have Pow, which I just recently wore this in a video. I don't remember which one it was, but it's so gorgeous, and these are so comfortable. They smell a little bit like vanilla, and I just love them, so I'm keeping those. I actually really like this ColourPop and Hello Kitty Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Sheer? No. KT? I'm sorry, I don't know what shade this is in, but it's a really fun gold that you can either build up or play down, and it's really, really pretty. This Pure Lip Lure thingamabobber, I didn't even know I had, even though this is really pretty. This is also not a gloss, but I can pass this on to somebody else who will like actually use it, because I didn't even know I had it. Too much crap. This is my favorite lip tint. This is red, and like back in my auditioning days of musical theater, this is what I would wear because it would stay in place and I could just add a gloss on top of it to make it look glossy. But I don't know what this is. Some sort of L'Oreal thing in the shade Endless Red, but I love it, and it's probably really old. Let me smell it. Oh, wow, okay. I'm getting rid of that. That's really old. That's really sad. I'm going to see if I can repurchase this because I love it, but that's disgusting and I'm tossing it out. This is actually really nice as well. This is the Maybelline New York, the Elixir in Mauve Mystique. It looks like a lipstick, but it's actually a lip gloss, and it's fabulous. And I just like these mauve colors for my lips. I don't know why. I love the NYX Butter Glosses, but I don't need all of these. Creme Brulee and Tiramisu. I'm going to keep Tiramisu because this is just going to wash me out. These are so old, though. I feel like I should get rid of them. They still smell fine. Love this for a red gloss. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Cherry Pie. This is in Sugar Plum. It's like a nice purple color. That's a little too bright purple. I'm never wearing a purple gloss, really. I'm going to get rid of that. And this Intense Butter Gloss, it's so shiny. Look at that. Oh, love. I'm definitely going to keep that one. And I'm going to keep the red too until I'm disgusted by how old it is. I'll hold on to it, I guess. These two are pretty much the same product. They're like the products that change your lip color. And my favorite is this Pixie Tinted Brilliance Balm. I just love the shade it turns my lips. So I'm going to pass on this Aero Boost. I got this in like a Birchbox. Ugh, I am not getting rid of as much as I wanted to. I'm upset about it. This is the Dior Lip Glow. It's really pretty. I think it's, again, one of those, like, changes your lip colors. I want to try this out more because it was so expensive, but it smells really nice. So I'm going to try this out more now that I will have more room. Hello Kitty Ultra Matte Lip. I'm just going to pass this on. I kept a red matte. I used to love these. The Rimmel Show Off Lip Lacquers. This is in the shade Apocalyptic. These smell like cucumber, #1. They're great. And this is just a really nice berry kind of shade. I have to keep that. Oh, I love that. And then I love this as well. This is the Maybelline, right? Color Whisperer. I believe it's Maybelline. Doesn't say. But it's a very sheer. Oh, I love this color. I'm keeping it. Crap! And last but not least, I have my lip liners and my nude sticks, which I'm going to keep all of these nude sticks mainly because I use these more for cream blush than I do for lipstick, but they are nice for lips as well, so I keep them in the drawer. My favorite one is Blush, which is right here. I also love Purity. I have Stiletto and Love and Kiss. I love all these. I'm keeping them. You guys know I have an obsession with nude sticks. They just really work really well. And I've even pared this down quite a bit, but I feel like I could pare it down even more. So I am going to keep my Gigi Hadid Lost in one because it matches that lipstick, so I might as well keep it. I'm going to pass on this I Am Precious one just because I have no idea what it is. And the NYX ones are my favorite. I might just keep all of these. Well, no, I don't need both of these. These are in Cabaret and Burgundy. But these, I mean, I haven't tried a bunch of lip liners to be like, oh yeah, these are the best, but like, they do a pretty good job, and they're only like $6. So I'm gonna keep Cabaret and pass on Burgundy. And I'm gonna keep the rest. I have Prune, I have Hot Red, which is my red that I like to use. And this is for if I'm wearing a dark shade. And then I have Natural, which is for more nude lipsticks. But like, how often do I wear a nude lipstick? Oh, but that's beautiful. I'm keeping that. And then I do have this Urban Decay Glide On Lip Pencil. This is just supposed to be like, it's prepping your lips for whatever. And it feels really nice. So I'm going to keep that as well. Ugh, okay. Ugh, I did not do as well as I wanted to. Here's what I'm keeping. Here's what I'm getting rid of. And I feel like I can do better. So we're going to try. Because you guys, I really honestly... You watch my videos. I very rarely wear a lip color. I'm gonna get rid of this. It's not a shade I would normally reach for. That was Sandstorm, by the way. I'm tempted to get rid of this because it's so old. So I'm like, I should just get rid of it. Why am I so addicted to makeup that I never wear? Okay, I'm going to organize this back into the drawers to see if I can make it into 3, and I will let you know what happens. Okay guys, I failed. I got rid of a drawer and a half, not 2 drawers, but I will keep paring this down as I try or wear more things and realize like, hey, I actually hate this. So I went and got my other products. So I have my Clarins lip oils, my NYX lip oils. This is basically like balms. We have a large influx of this sunscreen chapstick for some reason. I don't know why. So I put them all back there. Then my melted lipsticks from Too Faced. Then this is my glosses and my nude sticks because these are pretty glossy as well, and they just fit better in there. So I'm pleased with the paring down of this drawer because I really love all of these. So I'm excited about that. Then the lipsticks and lip liners drawer, it gets a little messy back there, but that's all right. When it's shut, it looks really nice. So all my drugstore ones, my Smashbox. I did get rid of a few more of these. I got rid of these too. Sorry, it's out of focus. And I did end up getting rid of the Maybelline Whisper because it's just so old. So got rid of that. And then in down here, which is going to be annoying, it's going to do this, but I have my the liquid lipsticks I have left. So until I decide I'm completely over liquid lipsticks, these will live here. So yeah, you guys, that is it. I hope this was somewhat inspiring. This is not what I wanted to do. I wanted to get rid of a lot of my lip products, but I guess I love more than I thought. So yeah, I love you guys. Hopefully in the next declutter I will be even more ruthless, but yeah, love you guys. Hope this was inspirational in some way, and I will talk to you later. Bye.